Lovely. So does this keep happening to your lawnmower? You start it up, finally get it going, cuts up. As you can see around me, the grass is very long. I've neglected this for a year, so here I am fixing it. But it could be one of two things. It's either the fuel getting into the engine or the air getting into the engine. So it's either valves or carb. So I'm gonna take off the carb first, mess about with it, and then we'll check the clearances on the valves and see what the crack is. So what I'm gonna do is take off the air filter, which actually looks alright. And if anyone noticed, can't see it in the video to be fair, but I had to, this has got, the choke is, actually saying that I need to undo that. The choke's on the handle, because of that, but because I can't squeeze anything with my arm that I dislocated, I had to strap a bungee around it, just so I could start it up. This has got a little, should be able to see it on the video, it's got a little clip there. Oh, under. I'll be able to grab that one. Let's give it a go. There's fuel getting into the carb, but there just isn't enough fuel getting out of the carb. But to be fair, since I've had this, and I bought it second hand, I've never cleaned it. At least these come off really easily, so that's a bonus. What I'm trying to do is get this fucking thing off. Look at that, only a tiny little bit of fuel spilled. I'm getting good at this. This thing could just generally do with a clean, to be fair. Right, now this should just slip straight off. I mean, it's not bone dry, to be fair, but still. Now, next thing I want to do, just have a look to see if there's any oil leakage, which I don't think there is. Head gasket looks fine. Yep, that looks fine. We know the ignition system works fine, because it does start. Take that out anyway, have a look at it, just to make sure it's not burning any oil. I don't think it is. It's a bit black, but there's no oil on it, just sand. These little engines can be such a ball ache. So apparently it's 0.15. Cool. Bang that back on. Cool. That's that. Boom, boom, boom. Right, okay. Let's go try her out. Let me just attach my little helper. Right. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. Moment of truth. No. Did I tighten that up enough? No, I didn't. Fuck's sake. Let's try again. The sweet smell of success. So that's that then. That's a nice one to come back to. It's better than having to rebuild the whole thing, to be honest. And my stepdad will be happy he can mow the lawn, even though the dogs have been out here and there's loads of sticks and all sorts of toys and stuff, but he'll be able to sort that out. The weird thing as well is there's no locking nuts on the end of the valve, so this is probably going to happen again, but at least for next time it'll literally take me 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and change the oil and the fuel as well. It's because I don't know when it was changed. It's probably horrendous. Been fixing quite a few of these recently, not that I plan to carry on because I'm not really too crazy about lawnmowers, it's alright. But yeah, if you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for more like this. I'll be a lot more, well, I'll be making more videos like this now that my shoulder's better again. So I've not been able to lift anything. It's been a proper pain. But yeah, have a blessed and wonderful day and weekend, because it'll be Thursday when this video drops. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.